Hello to all my gorgeous people out there, it's Amina over here, and if you're new to my channel, please do take a moment to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video that I upload. So I've come up with this my top 3 series because so many people in Instagram were asking me like what is good, what is nice, what do you think should I buy. So I've come up with this top 3 series because it can be easier for you guys also to refine out what products you would like to buy at what price points. So today on the first episode I am going to do moisturizers and color correctors. So let's just begin. Basically going to do this series based upon the steps of how I do my makeup. So of course my first step is always moisturizing, and then I do color correction when I feel like it, but mostly I don't. But I feel that I should do it more often because I can see now I'm seeing a huge difference between how my skin looks with and without color correction. So I see a world of difference. So I feel I'm going to stick to color correction now onwards. So my first favorite moisturizer of all times, if you've been following me for a very long time, you will know that I absolutely flippin' love this moisturizer, and it is nothing other than the Nivea Creme. And this is original Nivea. I love anything of Nivea because it's the ultimate king of hydration, okay? If you're a person who has extremely dry, flaky, chappy skin, go for this. I'm not kidding you. It is that fresh burst of moisture which you have never felt in your entire life. You'll feel that way because on my driest of my dry days, I go for this cream. It is absolutely divine, and I don't know how many bottles I have finished, and the price point is so less, and this is a new one. I have finished the previous one, and if you have seen my previous videos, you will know this is how the texture of it is. It's very thick consistency, and look at the hydration. Like, can you just see the difference between that? It's that difference what makes a lot of difference. Literally, it is so good. People who have dry, flaky, extremely dry skin, please go for this without any doubt. And if you're thinking that it's going to clog your pores or you're going to have blackheads and whiteheads, you are going to get it at some point of time, okay? You just got to keep cleaning your face once in a month, at least once in a month, or max once in 2 months. You have to just go to a parlor and get it done. It's just $500 like just for a proper cleanup. They'll remove everything, or else you get machines and gadgets at home to do it also. I already have a video of it. You can go to the description box, you'll find that video, how to do a facial at home. Okay, so now I'm not going to stretch it more. My oily skin people who are watching this video, please be away from this. This is not your friend. It's going to make your skin even more greasy. It's going to make it look even more oily, and it is going to make you look like a medu vada, which you absolutely don't want. So please be away from this. Only dry skin people go for this. Not normal, not oily, only dry. Nivea has a lot of sizes and a lot of variants, so whatever you want to choose, you can choose for yourself, and it is very budget friendly option also for dry. Next favorite, like this has been now my current favorite because in Chennai my skin mostly is combination skin. I have a very oily T-zone, so I love this. I absolutely love this. This is the Coconut Face Brightening Cream by Good Vibes. This smells divine, and oh my god, what a beautiful moisturizer. I have recently started using it, and what amazing price point. It's so affordable here. I think there's only one size available. Don't need much, you just need this much. I think this will easily run you for 3-4 months. And I'm going to show you the moisturization. The formulation is very, very, very thin. It's more like a water consistency. Can you just see how glowy your skin looks? Yeah, it just gives you that instant hydration that you need, and it is so good for everyday wear. It just leaves your skin with such luminosity, and it smells divine. It just smells very tropical, very yummy and everything. And yes, this is a universal moisturizer. Normal, combination, or extremely oily people can also wear this, and you won't have any trouble because it is amazing, baby. It is really amazing, but mainly I'll recommend it to people who have extreme oily skin because it just controls your oils. I don't know how. It is also hydrating like mad, okay? If you're a dry skin, you will know it's hydrating. I'm a combination, so I know. After applying this, my my dry areas have become moisturized in a healthy way. And this is a non-greasy cream. Your skin drinks this cream and you won't feel like there is anything on your skin, but you're moisturized, you will glow from within, and that's what you're aiming for. If you continue to keep using this product, you will see that it controls your oil in your T-zone if you're a combination skin, and it also hydrates the places where you're having dryness. That's what I undergo. Like my entire cheek is dry, my T-zone is oily, and it balances it out. I don't know, it's some sort of magic. People can exclusively find this on Amazon and Purple, and this is so affordable, so amazing. I have no words. It's something like some sort of sorcery. It does the work. It also hydrates, also controls your oils. I don't know what the hell is going on. Okay, the next cream that I have is Olay Moisturizing Cream. That's the name of it. It doesn't have any variant in this, and this is 50 grams of product for this much of rate, which is flippin' amazing. Such an amazing price point. It has a very mild pink color to it. I recently started using this and it has become my favorite. It is very nice. So it hydrates so well and it gives you some sort of luminosity, which I am living for. Can you just see how luminous my skin looks? I mean, it looks juicy. It looks yummy, okay? It just looks yummy. And it smells divine. It just smells very fresh, very mild. It doesn't have a bombard fragrance. It's very mild, it's very nice, and it's like an everyday kind of moisturizer. If you're like coming out of the shower, you just need a very little dial up to just apply it all over your face and you're good to go. It won't make your face greasy. This again is for normal, combination and oily. It does not make your face greasy. It gives you a very good nourishment. It is a very lightweight moisturizer and it gives you this glow from within. And usually when you wear a strobe cream mixed with a moisturizer, then only you get this glow. But this itself without anything gives you that glow and it is supremely good. Hopping on to color correction. Basically, what is color correction? Color correction is nothing but making your skin balanced out. If you're having a lot of dark circles, pigmentations, or anywhere you're having pigmentation around your face, according to your skin tone, if you're a fair skin tone, your pigmentation, you will use a peach color corrector. If you're a medium skin tone, you will use an orange color corrector. And if you're a rich, dark skin tone, you use a red color corrector. What this will do is, it will make your skin one. So when you're applying a foundation or you're applying a concealer, it won't look grey. It will look like skin. But you have to remember one thing, after you color correct, always set it with a loose powder, then go in with your foundation. Otherwise it's going to mix in the foundation and give you a different color altogether. If your foundation is of your skin type, it's going to mix with it and give you a pinkish tone or an orangish tone, which you won't like. Okay, so always set it with a powder, just dab it with your fingers. One of the best color correctors I have ever come across is this orange color corrector, which I use for pigmentation, obviously for medium skin tone. And this is the one from LA Girl Pro Conceal, and they have so many shades and you people will definitely find yours over there. Like for sure you will find yours, because this is an amazing color corrector. You have even green in this, but I don't like the green one. Now what does green do? Green color corrector is meant to hide your acne and any redness in your face if you're having. If you apply a green color corrector and set it with your powder and then apply foundation, that redness won't peek through. That green color corrector will neutralize that red on your face, and once you put a foundation on it, it will make it look like skin. That's what a green color corrector does. I just put up a chart after this video so you people can see and judge as to what you want according to your skin tone. So basically this is amazing for your dark circles and pigmentations and any sort of darkness that's going on in your face. You just apply it there, set it with powder, you're good to go. And this gives you really good coverage. You need very less product. It's fairly on the medium price range, but it's worth it. You get a lot of offers. There are a lot of sales going on, so grab yours when and how and whatever skin tone you are, you will get your shade there. This is really amazing. It's such a beautiful shade range. I don't use a green color corrector, but I do keep one just in case, because I've started doing freelancing. So just in case a client has acne issues or has any sort of redness going around their face, I can just apply it there and neutralize it. So this one is from NY Bae and this is called a green color corrector. It's called a green color corrector. This one over here, a very cute compact packaging and amazing price range. And this is the shade over here. It is a very subtle green, especially when you're having like acne issues. This is a must-have to in your vanity. This actually neutralizes. I don't like those dark greens. LA Curl Pro Conceal does have a dark green one, but it is too dark. This is a very neutralized color, a very universal one, so it can be used on any skin tone. And so it's beautiful, and the shade range is not much, and I'm not a big fan of their foundation. This is actually this all-in-one foundations, concealer, color corrector, everything. You get like one thing in this NY Bay. I just put the link down, you can check it out. So I'm not a personal fan of their other products in the same range, but I really love this. This is amazing. Okay, and it is beautiful, and it's very compact packaging and a beautiful price range, and you people can actually, you know, try this out. You will love it. For all the people struggling with acne issues and are having, you know, to go to some party and are afraid that, you know, the redness will peek through, always use this, a green color corrector. It will help. I hope you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and share, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss out on any new video that I upload. I'll come back with episode 2, top 3 favorite primers. I'll see you all in my next video. I love you all. Bye.